Hi, welcome to my channel, Self-Made Fancy Wardrobe. Today I'm going to show you how to make a twist top using dress fabric. This fabric is very stretchy. It can be created very nice piece by draping. Okay, let me talk about this style. The neckline raised up 1 inch and had 2 pleats at each side. This twist knot is the design center and is about 3 inches above the waist. Because it is tie design on body, so I also add a few pleats at waist. Now I'm going to show you how to create these pleats by dividing and spreading a basic pattern. But first, let's take a quicker look at how to draft a basic pattern before we actually start it. Please keep in mind, this pattern is made by body measurement only. Bust, waist, hip, and also the shoulder, the length, and the sleeve length. For stretch fabric, sometimes we do not need to add the extra ease on pattern if it is a tight-fitted design. Locating the spreading point 3 inches above the waist. Then divide the front panel into 10 pieces based on this point. Cut the dividing lines. Now, starting to spread the front pattern. This is the front neckline, and here's a pleat near the leg. Here, between 2 points, I can keep 0.5 inch distance. This part is 7.5 inches wide. The twist knot will be formed here. Okay, the front panel has been done. This part is the twist knot position. Let's spread the back panel. After finish all cutting, I'm going to do the sewing. First, prepare the pleats and sew the shoulders. Second, add the bias trim to clean finish the front neckline. The trim goes through the back neck and starts and ends at the knot position. Third, move up the lower part. And I'm going to sew and close this on fold seam. But still leave a small hole here, only one panel to do so. Another side leave unsewn. Now, I'm going to go through this hole with another panel. This center seam will be going to close, but the stitching will stop here. Nicely lay out the piece. Invisibly tie the knot to avoid getting mess. Drape the fabric. Make sure all pleats nicely lay on body. Make sure this center seam stays in the center. Draw the side seam with a chalk and leave seam allowance, then trim off the extra fabric. Drape the back panel and add pleats on waist. I will still have to trim the seam here, because stretch fabric becomes bigger after doing draping. The bottom will be going to fold up 1 inch later on for hemming. Okay, now finish all the draping. The last section is to sew the garment. Firstly, tack the pleats at the back waist. Secondly, finish joining the front and the back together. The final step is to sew the sleeve and attach it to the armhole. If you like my channel, please give me a thumb, leave comment and subscribe below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.